If you find yourself typing, please clarify your thesis statement or check APA citation rules 50 times every weekend while grading. Stop typing. SpeedGrader has a built-in comment library. Open SpeedGrader on any assignment, go into a student, and right above the comment box on the right, click the speech bubble icon to open your comment library. Paste your go-to feedback once and hit save. Now whenever you're grading, just start typing a keyword or click the library icon and your saved comment auto-suggests. Select it, hit submit, and you're done in 2 clicks. Your comment library follows your Canvas user account across all your courses and terms, meaning you only have to write your best detailed feedback once. Reclaim your weekend grading hours. For more 60-second Canvas productivity hacks, head to capitaleducation.com.